Can good things come from bad or messed up places? Let's unpack that one today. What's up, everyone? It's Johnny here with Tell a Friend. Man, thank you guys so much for joining us on these Message Mondays. We really appreciate it here at Tell a Friend. Anyways, if you know me, anybody knows me, a lot of my inspiration comes from my family, my friends, my life experiences. And a lot of it also is from the Bible, right? Because I read the Bible. And today, my inspiration for this thought kind of came from the Bible. So the other day, I was reading the Bible, and I was reading the book of John. And the first part of John, there was these two gentlemen having a conversation about Jesus, right? And one says to the other, says, "Hey, we have found the city or the town where Jesus came from." And the exact wording was, "Can anything good come from Nazareth?" One man said to the other, implying that nothing good can come out of that town, right? So it got me thinking about something that I've experienced in my life, right? Can anything good come out of a town or a city or a place, right? So when I was 20 years old, my wife and I, Connie, we bought this, our first home, right? Now the house was a HUD home. Say that fast 20 times. So the house was a HUD home. And if you know anything about HUD homes, most HUD homes are kind of like low income homes. Kind of the homes need a lot of work. They're more for the low income family. I'm not sure now, but that's how it was back then, how it was structured back then. So we had a family friend know about this program who were giving away vouchers super cheap if you would purchase a HUD home. Literally, we got $500 back when the house closed. Anyways, so we went out, looked for a HUD home, and all the nicer HUD homes, if you will, basically kept getting taken up. Somebody outbid us or whatever. And we kept looking, and this one home we had seen at the beginning, who we were looking at, it was junk, trash, we did not want. We kept overlooking it. However, unfortunately, because we only qualified for so much money, we ended up getting this HUD home that needed so much work. If you will, the home literally only had 4 walls on it. The front door was a piece of plywood. Didn't even have a key on the door. We had to put, that's the first thing we had to do. We had to change everything in this home from the top to the bottom. Backyard, it had nothing, right? When people seen this home, like us, I thought nothing good can come out of this home. We had no vision for this home, right? Like many of us today. Now, this is what I want to share, how I got the thought. Many of us today, right, are kind of like that home. We're broken. People look at it and don't want to associate with that. People say, can anything good come out of this? Is there anything good that's going to come out of this bad place in their life, right? Well, let me tell you something. When we fixed this house up, we fixed it up. We bought the house for $69,000. True story. We sold it for over $300,000, right? Now, why do I say this, right? Because some of us are broken. You yourself may be broken. Sometimes, and there's things in life that we are broken. However, if a little bit of cleanup, if you will, you can become valuable. And I'm not saying you got to change your life and put new clothes on or whatever, but you can make yourself valuable by seeing what you want to be, right? If I would have seen how the house I wanted to see the house in the future, maybe I would have bought it a lot sooner. But that's what I'm telling you. You are valuable. If you can see yourself as a winner, if you can see yourself as a champion, if you can see yourself as, I'm going to be successful, I'm going to be the head and not the tail, no matter what you've been through, no matter how bad the situation is in your life, you can be successful. Anyways, that's my thought today. Seeing the good in a bad situation. Anyways, I love you guys. Be blessed. And don't forget to tell a friend. And if you guys ain't got no friends, you can come over to Tell a Friend and we can all be friends together. Anyways, I love you guys. Take care. Bye now.